Okay, everyone. How are you doing? Good. Accomplished?
Yes.
You guys happy?
Yes.
If humans would go to Mars, we're still human, so we still need the support from creative people like us who have the vision, but somehow limited by either the capacity of the technology, but also the access to space community. This is one of the steps, guys, so you are part of the pioneers for this mission. Congratulations. We connect you guys with professionals in the space industry. So if any of you have the gut to think like, you know what, I'm an architect, I can lead any kind of project. It doesn't matter if it's music, gaming, cooking, or cocktail, whatever, but also space. We were published in the Wired magazine like last December, and of course Stephen Hawking was on the cover, so it was really incredible.
And I'm just mounting on, let me just get rid of these things. And he's doing on Android, I'm doing on iPhone. And we're trying to build everything on this kind of trackers list.
Yeah, that's cool.
And I was trying to put more texture into the environment, like here.
Well, once you figure out how to apply it, you can finalize it.
Yeah, like this thing should be also in the middle.
I see.
What are you guys making?
The gate to receive their drones.